Once you've successfully installed the Facebook and Instagram sales channels, it's time to create your first Advantage Plus ads campaign. Let's start by going to the product section on your admin and make sure you're happy with the product assets you've listed. Things like images and descriptions are important. After that, you can go to the Facebook and Instagram menu from the sidebar. Before you click on Create Ads, go to Catalog Diagnostics to confirm if your product catalog has successfully been synced without any errors. As you see here, the product catalog between Jumpseller and Facebook is synced perfectly. Now you can click on the Create Ads button. You should arrive at the Facebook Ads Manager screen. If you have multiple ad accounts, select the one you've associated with Jumpseller. Let's start creating ads. Click on the Create button. Choose a campaign objective. Normally for online stores, it's sales. Click Continue, and on the next screen, go with the Tailored Sales Campaign option. After you click Continue, you should be inside the campaign creation menu. Start by adding a name for your campaign and select the pixel and conversion event. Add a budget and configure your schedule for the campaign. If you want to run a campaign for a fixed period of time, add an end date. Next, you'll arrive at the Audience Selection screen. Here, you can either go with the automated audience targeting using Advantage Plus or define it manually. Select the beneficiary of this ad campaign. Usually it will be your business. This information is only required if you're targeting audiences from the European Union. Moving on from that, you can select your Instagram account. In the ad setup, select Catalog Plus, and you should start seeing the products from your store in the Ad Preview section located on the right. It will fetch the information from the catalog. You can also use the Multi-Advertiser Ads feature. This gives advertisers the opportunity to be discovered by people who have recently shown an interest in related products or businesses. You can also create product sets from your catalog if you want to show specific products in your campaign. In this example, as it's a small and specific catalog, we're going to create the ad for the whole catalog. Each product is linked to the corresponding product page on your Jumpseller online store, so you do not have to add a link to your website. Next, you'll see the Ad Creative section. Here you can add primary text if you want to show it on the ads. The headlines and media are automatically generated. Choose the call to action button you want your ads to show. You can also do A/B testing on ads. In the Destination section, you have the option to change the target link for your ads, which by default are the product pages on your store as mentioned previously, so you don't have to change anything here. The last section lets you configure the tracking for your ads. By default, it should show the pixel you had linked while setting up the app on Jumpseller. Lastly, you can simply click on Publish and add your payment details to activate your ads. That's it. After a quick review process, your ad should be published on Facebook and Instagram. Find more information at jumpseller.com/support or by subscribing to the Jumpseller YouTube channel.